Creating a rubric is made up of two tabs, one for the rubric properties, and one for designing the rubric levels and criteria. In this tutorial, we will explore the fields involved in completing the Properties tab. Select the New Rubric link to begin the process. Enter a name. Select the appropriate status from the Rubric status menu. This can be changed later. There are three statuses to choose from. Draft is the initial status for any new rubric. A rubric in draft is not available to be associated with assessments. Keep your rubric in draft until it's ready to be used. Published is the typical status for a rubric in regular use. When a rubric is published, it is available to be associated with assessments. Rubrics cannot be edited while they have the published status. A rubric with the archived status is not available for new associations, but its existing associations remain functional. Next, fill out the description field. Rubrics may be shared within your organization or refined over time, so a good description is important. From the Rubric Type menu, select between Analytic and Holistic. In practice, most rubrics are analytic. An analytic rubric breaks performance down into multiple criteria. Each criterion is then scored separately, and the overall level of achievement is a combination of these scores. A holistic rubric provides a single holistic description of each overall level of achievement. Performance is then assessed by selecting the most appropriate level. Here we'll select Holistic. The number of levels is set to 4 by default, but you can change this now or once you're in the process of creating your rubric. Select the scoring method. The options in this menu will differ between analytic and holistic rubrics. Here we will select percentages, which will allow us to assign a percentage to each rubric level. When finished, click Save. You are now ready to build the levels and criteria for your rubric.